The wisdom in the existence of the afterlife 6:4, as is well known. The existence of the Almighty Allah is eternal and everlasting. His power is also infinite. There are many wisdom in every act of His. His attribute of creation will always manifest itself. Some of the beings He has created and will create will continue to exist. Who knows how many centuries ago He created this universe in which we live? Then He created humans as a select class to be responsible for certain worships and duties in this universe. Were all these humans and other created beings created in vain? Were they created in such a perfect form merely to live for a temporary time and then completely cease to exist? No, such a claim will be rejected by human conscience. The wisdom seen in every atom refutes this. 65. There is nitrogen monoxide doubt that humans have been brought to this world for a test. They were created to enjoy the results and rewards of their good and bad deeds in this world, in another world for eternity. In this world, not everyone receives the full reward for their deeds. Many respectable and good people live in misery. Many deviant and wicked people live in comfort and do not receive the punishment for their evil deeds in this world. In this regard, a world is necessary where the justice of the Almighty Allah is fully realized, so that everyone may receive the reward for their deeds there. Thus, the attribute of Allah's creativity will always be evident. 66. One should also consider the following. In this world, humans and other responsible creatures are divided into two groups. One group fulfills its duties and hold fast to an unwavering belief in the existence of Allah. The rewards of those who possess this unwavering and continuous faith will be eternal in the afterlife. The other part, however, has abused its duties, forgotten its creator, and continued to believe in the correctness of the deviant path it has taken by following its desires. Even if they were to live for billions of years, they would remain steadfast in their decision not to abandon their beliefs and disbeliefs. Therefore, their punishment will also be eternal, just like their beliefs. They will fall into an endless torment in the hereafter. Let us also add that beautiful faith is so acceptable and great in the sight of Allah that its reward is an eternal reward from Allah. Denying Allah and worshiping falsehood is such a grave crime that its reward is nothing but eternal torment. The righteous are in paradise, and the wicked are in hell. Infitar 13-14.